All right. I want to try something with you. You up for it? It's
I'm
a magic
in.
trick. It's a magic. It's a
I'm.
card trick.
I love it.
All right. So you got a, this is not the kind of card trick you would see a magician. It's an imaginary card trick.
Okay.
So and I want you to just act as if this is really happening and that the cards are real. Right? So I'm handing you a new box of cards right now. Grab the box, open it up, and I want you to either pull out the black cards or the red cards. Just make a choice and pull them out. And let me know when you're done.
Okay.
What did you pull out, the blacks or the reds?
The blacks.
Great. So put the blacks to one side. So what you're left with in that box is red, yeah?
Correct.
So now what I want you to do is I want you to take those red cards out. And when I say go, I want you to throw them in the air and let the diamonds separate from the hearts. So when I say go, just throw them up in the air and throw them up in the air. Let the hearts and the diamonds separate.
Okay.
And what are you left with?
Clubs and spades.
That we're doing no, we're doing hearts. We're doing red cards.
Oh, red cards, right.
Yeah.
So we have right.
So you throw the diamonds and
Yeah.
you throw the hearts.
Yes.
Good. You throw the diamonds, you throw the hearts in the air.
Mhm.
All right. You let one of them drop. Which one drops?
The
The
heart.
hearts. The hearts. So the hearts are dropped. So put the diamonds to one side. So now that you've got the hearts that have dropped, you'll notice that the hearts, there are cards that go 2, 5, and 7, 9. So I want you to either choose the 2, 5 of hearts or the 7, 9. 2, 5 or 7, 9. Which one do you choose? 2, 5 or 7, 9?
7, 9.
So what I want you to do is put the 7, 9 to one side. So you're left with the 2 and you're left with the 5. I want you to hand one of those cards to me, the 2 or the 5. And what did you hand to me?
The 2.
So it's the 3 or the 5.
Sorry,
3, 5, 7, 9. So you have, yeah. So what do you have? Yeah.
The 3.
So you hand me the 3.
Hmm?
So what you're left with is the 5 of hearts.
Yep.
5 of hearts.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yep.
So would it surprise you to know that before we began today, I made a prediction that I could force the 5 of diamonds, sorry, the 5 of hearts, that I could force the 5 of hearts in your head? Would it surprise you that I put that thought in your head today?
I would be surprised. Yes. Yeah, I would be surprised.
So I made a prediction that you would choose the 5
Yeah.
of hearts.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy.
And it's the only one that's there. There's nothing
Yeah.
else stuck there.
I was trying to say, like, is he pulling this card out? Like, I just thought to myself, he's got all these cards laid out.
Yeah. Well, yeah. All right, let's go.
That's cool.